What if I told you there's a truck from the 1930s that not only defined rugged American utility, but also carried a timeless design that collectors still dream about today? Meet the 1937 GMC T14B Truck, a machine that blends vintage charm, durable performance, and classic styling in a way few vehicles ever have. Welcome back to AutoNervex. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic American trucks of its time, the 1937 GMC T14B. This isn't just a truck, it's a symbol of pre-war craftsmanship, rugged engineering, and the hardworking spirit that GMC built its reputation on. In this review, we'll explore its exterior design, interior simplicity, performance capabilities, and the price range you can expect today if you're lucky enough to find one. Let's start with the exterior. The 1937 GMC T14B carried a bold and stylish design for its era, blending utility with a surprising level of elegance. At the front, you'll notice the tall, upright grille with vertical chrome slats, giving the truck a commanding and classy presence on the road. Rounded fenders, wide headlights mounted outboard, and a long, smooth hood gave the T14B a distinctive look that stood apart from its competitors. The body was built tough, with heavy-duty steel panels designed to endure the rigors of farm work, hauling, and industry use. Its bed was wide and practical, making it a favorite for workers who needed a reliable partner in tough conditions. Even today, when restored, the truck carries an aura of nostalgia mixed with timeless American style. Stepping inside, the cabin of the GMC T14B reflected the era's straightforward approach to interiors. Function was the priority, but GMC managed to balance it with durable materials that stood the test of time. You'll find a simple yet charming dashboard with analog gauges for speed, fuel, and oil pressure, all laid out clearly for the driver. The large steering wheel, slim gear lever, and metal switchgear gave the cabin a rugged industrial feel. Seating was basic but comfortable enough for long workdays, usually a bench-style seat covered in simple cloth or leatherette. There was no luxury here, no infotainment, no air conditioning, but what it lacked in modern comforts, it made up for in simplicity and reliability. For collectors today, that raw, mechanical driving experience is exactly what makes the T14B so special. Under the hood, performance came from a 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission. The T14B was never about speed, it was about strength and dependability. Producing modest horsepower for the time, it delivered enough torque to handle farm duties, heavy hauling, and everyday transportation. Its suspension was rugged, built to take on dirt roads, uneven terrain, and the kind of hard labor that would test any modern truck. Even though performance numbers by today's standards might seem modest, back in 1937, this truck was a workhorse that got the job done day after day. Restorers who bring these trucks back to life today often marvel at how durable the mechanical components still are after nearly a century. Now let's talk about price. When it first hit the market in 1937, the GMC T14B was affordable for the average working American, costing only a few $100s depending on configuration. Today, however, these trucks are highly sought after by collectors and vintage enthusiasts. Prices vary widely depending on condition, with barn finds starting as low as $10,000 to $15,000, while fully restored, showroom quality examples can command upwards of $40,000 or more. Their rarity and historical importance make them a prized possession in the classic truck world. In conclusion, the 1937 GMC T14B truck stands as a testament to GMC's commitment to building strong, reliable, and stylish vehicles even in the pre-war era. Its rugged exterior, simple but purposeful interior, dependable performance, and now collectible value make it an enduring symbol of American trucking heritage. This has been AutoNervex bringing you the ultimate review of the 1937 GMC T14B truck. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive stories, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.